You're gonna spill it. Put it over the bowl. Okay. No. What are you eating?
My favorite recipe is Mimi.
What's Mimi?
Mimi is like a type of like noodles, like when it's like wiggly and.
Who taught you how to eat Mimi?
No, my dad. Some meat Colin.
Good morning, folks. Live from South Carolina. So we haven't traveled in a month. We've spent the holidays here. It's been an ease into the new year, and we're feeling a little nudge to go do something. And the kids have never camped before, proper camp before. And as much as we love the outdoors, we're ashamed to say we haven't done it either in a few years. So, spontaneous camping trip. Here we go. Go. Woo. Need a first aid kit? Oh yeah, back in action, baby. Let's go!
It just happens to be 50% off, so we're snagging it. It's a 6-person, which I'm just thankful for extra space.
Our car is full, but the goal of tonight is just so that our girls feel comfortable going camping and that they have a good first experience.
Do you have any regrets?
Regrets? No! Maybe later.
Before we vlog more, I just need to eat. I just feel like I need to eat. It's better for everyone, so I'm gonna eat. So Colin and I love camping. We used to go camping all the time before we had kids, but we haven't been tent camping since having them. So the one thing that we had to buy was a new tent.
That is a big tent. Excited to camp tonight?
No.
Why?
Because I'm scared of the dark.
But we'll all be in the same tent together.
Why do you only got different tents?
No, we got one tent and we'll all be snuggled up together tonight.
But so gets the blue tent and I got the pink.
Oh no, those are called sleeping bags. That's what you're sleeping. That's what you sleep in. They're like your blankets.
They're blankets?
Yeah, and then we'll all be in one tent together. So you don't have to be scared.
I'll be in my pink tent.
Okay, your sleeping bag?
But I want to sleep by myself.
You think you got this? Alright, by tomorrow I'm gonna ask you if you're still scared, okay?
Okay. Oh, okay.
What'd you bring, Shar?
I brought the kids were camping. Kids is a marshmallow.
What'd you bring, Liv?
Ta-da!
What's that?
It's a picture of our camp. Get me inside.
Okay, put it on your bed.
And then...
Yay!
Rainbow! What are these? I got the rainbow, and that's myself.
Okay. Hey, my name is Colin Mookery. This is my audition for Survivor 45. You think I can do it? You think I can do Survivor?
No.
Tent is up and organized. We have beds tonight. We're gonna get a fire going for dinner. Kids are playing in the lake. Time to just take a deep breath.
Forgot plates, so we're using cardboard. But you know, we're only out here for one night, so we're just gonna make it work.
And make it fun. I mean Hawaiian bread with honey and peanut butter and popcorn.
All right, Char, do you want to try the cheese?
Yeah.
It's good.
This cheese is from Ireland.
Is it for
Hint, hint.
Is it really?
Thank you for this Dublin cheese.
Too much.
good?
How we doing, Chef Meg?
I just don't eat raw meat, so I'm gonna make sure it's cooked.
Megan, you are most likely to get injured.
Why?
You were just sharpening that knife with a wipe.
I was cleaning it.
Livy, most likely to party. Charlotte, most likely to eat all our cheese. Dad, most likely to get cold and suggest we go home tonight. Are you using the cardboard for everything?
We forgot utensils. I don't have plates, I don't have forks, but
Good thing we bought a tent.
so the sun is set. We're retiring to the tent. And I have a question for you. Do you think that we are gonna stay in this tent all night? Leave a comment, tell us what you think, because I don't know. Are we gonna drive home at 2 a.m. or are we gonna wake up at 6 a.m. and go get coffee? Let me know what you think and stick around to find out.
Are you ready to sleep in tents tonight, girls?
Nope. Yep. Just joking. I'm so sorry.
Alright, I'm gonna ask you.
I'm not ready because I'm scared of the dark.
But you're in the dark right now, you're doing pretty fine. What are you doing?
If you're only camping for one night and you're only 20 minutes from your house, you get to bring the extra warm blanket just in case. I'm just gonna have it here just in case.
Oh, Megan.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the shower list. Hello, my name is Shadwick. My name is Liz. And we're the Adventure Girls.
Yay! Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, everyone.
Tonight, I will attempt to move my ears.
It's raining.
I'm gonna do some stand-up comedy. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Amos.
Amos who?
A mosquito. Wait, there's two. Okay, knock, knock.
Who's there?
Anna.
Anna who?
Another mosquito. If I were to give one tip to any parents out there who want to camp with their kids, this is our first time in a tent. But I will say the whole s'mores before bedtime and the rush of sugar before you're locked in a tent isn't my favorite thing. It's not my favorite thing.
Don't do it.
Don't do it. Don't give them s'mores. Just kill that dream. Or enjoy having...
We made it. It's 7 a.m. We slept through the night. Well, barely. We made it, and the kids slept so well. Now we're just cold. It's cold outside, and the journey from tent to Cracker Barrel feels very far, but we're gonna make it. I think we accomplished our mission, Megan.
I think we did.
I think they had a great experience.
Yeah.
I missed my bed. How was it?
Silly.
You slept the whole time.
Charlotte, you seem to be having fun.
Let's go eat.
We made it.